Hi guys, I am Sandy. If you are new here, welcome back to my craft room. Well, actually, I'm not in my craft room today. This is a sitting area in my primary bedroom, and this is my favorite chair in the whole house. It has a matching footstool as well, and I love sitting here. I like reading here. I like journaling. I also edit my videos here a lot of times. And I'll do a lot of planning. So I like to plan. If you remember from my goal setting videos, I like to do to-do lists and then plan out goals for the week and for the upcoming month and things like that. There's my cute little kitty cat. And so I just wanted to share this little snippet of my life with you all. You all haven't seen this little sitting area, and I have the windows behind me here, and you know, in the spring and the fall I'll have them open and I can hear the birds. And we also have a horse farm behind us, riding stable, and we can hear the horses sometimes out there making those, you know, sounds that the horses make. And it's just a very peaceful spot. So one of my favorite spots in the house. All right, I just wanted to share this little snippet with you guys, and I will see you all on the next video. Bye.